Hi there, can you find the shaded area of this logo? Let's dive in. The perimeter of a logo is created from two vertical, straight edges, two small semicircles, 1 and 2, with horizontal diameters, and two large semicircles, this one and this one. Okay, and both have straight edges, and the diameters of the small semicircles have lengths 2. So this is 2, and for small semicircles, the diameter is 2 as well. And the logo has rotational symmetry. Okay, you can see that. So we are going to find the shaded area. Okay, so as we have a rotational symmetry, for finding the total shaded area, first of all, I'm just gonna focus on half of the figure. Okay, so when we found the area of this part, we can double the answer. Okay, we found that the length of this vertical edge is 2, and we know that this is a horizontal diameter with length 2 as well. Because this is vertical and this is a horizontal line, so we found that we have a right angle here. If we join these 2 points, we have the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle, which is the diameter of the big semicircle. Okay, so in first step, I'm gonna find the length of the hypotenuse. You can use Pythagorean theorem, which is 2 squared plus 2 squared equals d. Let's call this d. D squared. So 4 plus 4 is 8, and d is 2 root 2. Or there is another faster way that you can find the hypotenuse of any isosceles right angle triangle. You just need to multiply the legs, which is 2, by radical 2. So we have 2 root 2 for d. Okay, so d is 2 root 2, and this is the diameter. In order to find the radius, we just need to divide by 2 to find the radius. So radius is root 2. So far, so good. And now I'm gonna find the whole area of this part, which includes the area of a right angle triangle and the area of the half of the area of a whole circle, which is a semicircle. So the area is, let's call this, I'm gonna write area of right triangle plus area of big semicircle. Okay, the area of right triangle is half of base times height plus the area of big semicircle is half of pi r squared, and r is root 2. Okay, cancel out these 2, so we have 2 plus, and root 2 squared is 2, cancel out with these 2, which is pi. So the area of this part of the figure is 2 plus pi. Okay, and now for shaded area, which is this part, I'm gonna subtract the area of this small semicircle from our total answer. So the area of a small semicircle is half of pi r, which is 1 squared. So our answer is pi halves. So I'm going to subtract pi halves from 2 plus pi. Shaded area for the first part is 2 plus pi minus pi halves. Pi minus pi halves is pi halves plus 2. Okay, so this is the shaded area of this part. Okay, so the only thing that we need for finding the total shaded area is to multiply this number by 2. So pi halves plus 2 multiplied by 2. 2 times pi halves is 5. It's pi. 2 times 2 is 4. So total shaded area is pi plus 4. So our final answer is choice D. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me. See you in the next video. Bye for now.